Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at Straydog.org. We started the shelter in 1994, 32 years ago. Still going strong today at Straydog, and also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel, where today my daughter Erin and I are going to do another song for you. This one's, but first of all, please everybody spay and neuter your dogs and your cats to try to get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world. Stop the killing in the shelters that's going on at 2,000 per day last year. Terrible tragedy that has been going on for decades and decades and decades and decades and decades. And so we can stop it if we get everybody on board to spay and neuter their dogs and cats. So please everybody spay and neuter your dogs and cats. And also there's subscribe to the channel, because that helps with the algorithms and all that stuff. Share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board to spay and neuter their dogs and their cats. And there's low cost, there's spay and neuter, no.
Would you want? Well, first of all, adopt from an animal shelter.
Yes,
that'll save.
That's what I was
a
going
lot
to
of
say.
Lives. Yeah. Puppies and kittens, and some people.
Yes, and also there are low-cost spay and neuter clinics all over the country now.
That can help. Okay.
And all you got to do is find one of those, and you can save some money, because they have regular vets go in and they just spay and neuter all day long, do nothing else. So that's the most important thing we can do. We've got to get control of conception in the dog and cat world. Okay, today we're going to do John Prine's Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. And here we go. 3, 4. You come home late, you come home early. Big when you're feeling small. Come home straight, come home curly drunk. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's trouble you? What in heaven's ain't had you done? Sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word and a village time. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Mean and a dreadful sorrow cross the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. John Prine, neat song. Please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. We've got to get control of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through spay and neuter. We'll be back tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Aaron.